Alrighty, corn children, for your learning enjoyment, this is question 6 from that homework last night on page 218. We were told once again we have two positive numbers. This time they have said that the sum of the first number and twice the second number, so x is first, y is second, the sum of the first and twice the second is 100. We will not be taking the derivative of this one. We are not asked to maximize this random sum. We are asked to maximize the product. So x times y is our product. This is what we want to maximize. So I'm going to set this equal to a random letter. I'm going to say the function that we're going to be looking at eventually will be the product function. But there's two variables, which makes us sad. So I'm going to go ahead and use this secondary equation to get us down to one variable. It's easiest to solve for x this time. So I will go ahead and substitute out the x, and this is now a function of y. And that's just fine. We can have a function of any variable as long as there's one of them. Just to make my life easier, I'm going to go ahead and distribute. And now we're going to do our first derivative analysis, finding critical numbers. This is not undefined. As it turns out, there is a domain on y, which sounds funny, but there's a domain on y. If x is 0, the largest y could be is 50. We were told they needed to be positive, so 0 to 50 is the domain of the y variable. So we're going to take the derivative. It's pretty straightforward. Set it equal to 0, it's never undefined, and solve. So y is 25. Let's make sure this maximizes the product though. So 0 to 25, once again the domain 25 only to 50. Test value 1, 49. Those are easy numbers to work with. Well, I guess. We are going to take these and fill them into the derivative of f, filling them in right up here. When I fill in 1, this is clearly positive. When I fill in 49, this is much larger than 100, so it's a positive minus a large negative. This is negative. F stood for the product. F is the product. So f prime being positive means f, the product, is increasing followed by decreasing. If the product is increasing followed by decreasing, uphill followed by downhill, y equaling 25 will cause the product to maximize. So y is 25. We go ahead, we would fill it back in up here to get the x value, and x would be 50. So the first number 50, the second number 25. And that, ladies and gentlemen, corn children, children of the corn, is number 6.